Little short video on how to adjust the idle on a 1990 Chevy V6 4.3 liter. Some of them have, the newer ones have the control valve that controls idle. This one don't. This has adjustment and takes a torque bit 20 to reach in there, which I'll show you. Only thing you got to first do is just, it's a little easier just to remove this air filter housing. Get the wing nut. And remove the washer. Just lift it up, get it out of your way. So you got more room to see what you're doing. This is the TBI fuel injection. Let me bring this camera over here so you can see it a little better. Get it up a little closer. Right down in here is where you're going to go. So you can see it over here a little better. Yep, right in there. Takes a torque bit 20. I got this reduced up from 1/4 to 3/8, so you can put it on the 3/8 ratchet. You just slip it right in here. Clockwise increases idle, counterclockwise brings the idle down. I had to set the idle down on this. It was too high for having an automatic transmission. And that's how you adjust the idle on a 1990 Chevy 4.3 liter V6. Thanks for watching.